Paul Reed. Harden on the drives. Blocked by Reed. Allen kicks it out. Mitchell three-pointer. Reed the rebound. Surrounded, gets it to Cunningham. Here's Harris. Corner three. Jenkins puts it up. Bang! Pistons by 6. Timeout. Cavaliers. A 10-0 run.
Well, an incredible recovery here by Reed. It looks like Harden has a surefire layup. Reed able to get that on the way up before it caught the glass. Leads to numbers. Great decision by Tobias Harris. Pistons up 6.